The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2010 through 2018 Ram 3500 Mega Cab. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack backbone with Pioneer system. However, this is outside of what Rhino-Rack recommends, which is the 59-inch long by 56-inch wide platform. Customer wanted more mounting space, so he opted to go with an 83-inch long by 56-inch wide platform. So this Pioneer system is drilled into the roof, so make sure you read the detailed instructions that come with it. We also have those linked to on our website, so make sure you take a look at that before you purchase, and that this is within your wheelhouse for install. So the Pioneer system, just a great platform for all different types of gear, whether you use it for moving, for camping gear, for overlanding, even recreational gear, can handle quite a bit. So this has been a quick peek at this system. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple of clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.